Shopping for a new garage door? Did you know year after year, replacing a garage door is one of the top home improvement projects for return on investment? In this video, we'll break down buying a new Wayne Dalton garage door into 4 easy steps. Partnering with the experts at Lowe's, Wayne Dalton not only brings outstanding quality, but a variety of designs and features that will match any home's aesthetic. Now, let's make sure you are prepared for your visit by confirming a few key components of your current door. One of the first steps is understanding if your door should be insulated or non-insulated. To answer this question, consider how the space is going to be used. Also consider the climate conditions where you live and whether or not the space will be heated or cooled. No matter the need, Wayne Dalton offers non-insulated and insulated options using the industry's best polyurethane systems, which provide denser coverage, improved rigidity, and greater resistance to damage. Now that we've considered these factors, it's time to get measurements. 5 measurements will be needed in total: width, height, side room, headroom, and room depth. Now we have everything we need to begin designing your new garage door in 4 easy steps. Step 1. With your prepared measurements in hand, review the provided comparison guide located in the kiosk to confirm what models are available within your specific dimensions. Step 2. Choosing a garage door style. Wayne Dalton offers a wide selection of the industry's most popular looks and styles, including classic, modern, and farmhouse designs. With an abundance of options to choose from, Wayne Dalton ensures you have ample choices to make the ideal decision for your home. Our classic style is the most common style in the market and features raised panels and traditional color options, allowing this door style to seamlessly integrate with just about any architectural design. Our modern style doors were created with a strong focus on design aesthetics. They offer a wide selection of panel designs and colors, and various window designs help complement your home's overall look and curb appeal. Last but not least, we offer our farmhouse-style doors. They combine modern trends with unique wood overlays for a customized look. These doors perfectly blend contemporary aesthetics with distinctive wood accents, and they offer a wide range of color choices to craft a personalized appearance. Step 3. Now that you have confirmed your door size and style, let's begin designing the specific features of your chosen door model. Choosing a color. Wayne Dalton doors feature multiple style color options by model, so review the color options available for the style of door you've selected. Choosing a panel design. Elevate your garage door with stylish panels that reflect your unique taste. Make a lasting impression that adds charm and curb appeal to your home. Choosing windows. Last but not least, choosing to add windows not only brings light into your garage, but brings another style element to the overall look of your door. During any step in this process, if you have any questions, the knowledgeable staff at Lowe's will be able to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. Now that you've designed your door, it's time to move on to step 4. Confirming your design and installation method. Please head over to a Lowe's millwork desk, where our knowledgeable associates will assist you in finalizing your design and preferred installation method. With both professional installation and DIY home delivery options available, Lowe's ensures a seamless decision-making process. As a recognized leader within the industry, Wayne Dalton takes great pride in our commitment to crafting high-quality products, exceptional aesthetics, safety standards, and functionality. When you choose Wayne Dalton and the knowledgeable home expert professionals at Lowe's, you're choosing the best in the industry, and you have the added assurance of a limited lifetime warranty to safeguard your investment. We hope you're as excited about your new door as we are. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask your Lowe's associate or visit us online.